Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking, and I'm in the mood for salad. I've been eating rice for a while, so salads are always a good option to go back to your diet. Especially, I want to go back to the pre-Ramadan diet. It's not easy to eat healthy in Ramadan. I'm figuring that out. That's the one of the toughest things to do. So I gathered whatever I had in my refrigerator. So let's see. We have lettuce, white onion, red peppers. They're not too, they are actually very crunchy and mild. And then we have scallions and tomato, and I have chickpeas, cilantro, and all that is gonna give me a pretty good, you know, salad. So let's make it. I have some pre-made keema mince with already spices everything in it. So what I will do is on my cast iron I will throw some kebabs, chapli kebabs on it, and I will have it with the salad. So that's the plan for today's meal. With salad, it's always a very good idea to just throw in whatever you have on hand. You don't have cucumbers, no problem. You have onions, you have lettuce, you have tomatoes, just go with what you have. And salads are the best thing that can happen with every meal. But today I'm making sure I have no rice, no bread, no roti, nothing. Just salad and the kebabs. Don't be afraid, while looking at those peppers, they're so red and beautiful, but they're not that hot. They are a little, a little bit of heat, but they're very nice and crunchy. So, I will go with them. Otherwise, you can have green, really mild peppers, sweet peppers, whatever. Bell peppers are good too. Okay, just make sure you run the knife over it so you don't end up with bigger pieces. I don't mind, but sometimes the boys, they don't like when they have a big piece of pepper in their mouth. There you go, that's done too. I will dress my salad with a little bit of hot pepper oil, salt, and lemon juice. No olive oil, nothing today, just like that. It will be a nice and crunchy salad, and by adding chickpeas in it, I'm making it even better. There you go. If you like chunks of onion in your mouth like me, I don't mind. But if you don't like bigger chunks, make it really fine. Don't use the whole onion, you can use half, and just mince it, chop it really good. But like I said, I don't mind. Everything here crunchy, I'm happy with it. Half is pretty good, but I'm going with the whole. Since I'm not having any rice or roti or anything with it, I'm just going to go with the whole onion, but half a tomato, because this one is a really big tomato. Yeah, I'm fasting, so my voice is a little bit down. Pardon me for that. My battery is running low. Yeah. Alright, so what's next? Chickpeas, yay! Love chickpeas. You can have them so many different ways. Just love chickpeas. There you go. Alrighty. Big chunks, small chunks of tomato is up to you. Some people like it really small. When I make it with the rice, I really make it small, really small. But when I'm making salad like that with lettuce and everything, this is good. Okay. And pardon my mess too, because when battery is running low, I don't really want to bother too much. Yeah, my energy level, I call it battery. Around 8:30, is no, let me see. Yeah, is the time to eat. So by that time I have to have everything ready. And if I have healthy, I will, after dinner, after iftar, I will be able to get up faster. The heavier the food, the more time it takes for you to get back to normal, because suddenly you feel groggy and you want to sit down or take a nap. So if your food is light and healthy, you will be back on your feet very fast. There you go. Okay, half lemon I squeeze on the salad, and half lemon I'm just going to mince it really good and just add it to it. I don't mind having bites of lemon in there. Not lime, just lemon. And cilantro, of course. Everybody who is watching my videos, you know I love cilantro. I love my cilantro dhania. I'm just going to chop it roughly and throw it in. And I'm almost done. Yep. Oh, it's beginning to smell so good. All right. Okay. A little bit. Yeah. All right. Okay. There it is. Excuse me. Salt, always according to your taste or your diet needs. Hot chili oil, well, that's for me. If you don't want that kind of heat in your salad, please don't. It's totally optional. All right, mix it all good. And that is what is going down today. There you go. You see that? Yeah. Okay, 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 okay. Let's put that aside. And there is my keema, the mince for the chapli kababs. There you go. No oil to the pan, no oil at all, because whatever fats are in there, they are going to melt and cook the kebabs. So don't worry about adding any oil to it, just like you do it on the grill. And in this kebab I have salt, pepper, cilantro, onions, some crushed cumin. And one thing, if you want your kebabs, your mince, this to be your hamburgers, whatever you want to call it, if you want it to be really nice and soft, not hard like cardboard, so what I do is I add some regular or canned milk to it. And that canned milk, I mean evaporated milk. And then I just add one egg, a little bit, a few tablespoons of evaporated milk, and then mix it. That will keep them moist. Alrighty, salad is here. Yum. There you go. See how soft it is? I can get it straight. It's so nice and soft. Well, leave it like that. Alrighty. There you go. Nice. Okay. Oh, it's ready to eat with me. Bismillah. Who is ready for iftari? Whoever is ready for iftari, you can come and join me, because my healthy salad is ready and I made myself some nice kebabs. So let's eat. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.